How to highlight duplicates in Google Sheet. So let's start. Simply select the data. First select the cell. Use the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. Then go to the Format tab, click on the Conditional Formatting option. And right hand side you can see the Conditional Formats rules is open. In single color in Apply to Range, here the range is automatically selected. Simply select the range and use the Ctrl C to copy this range. In Format Rules, click on this drop down arrow and select here the last option Custom Formula is. And click on this box and enter here your formula. So use this equal to and enter the count if formula in bracket. Paste here the range of data. So I use here Ctrl V. So this range is pasted here. Then use the comma. Then enter the first cell of your data. The first cell your data, A is a column, 2 is a row, A2. Okay, so I enter here A2, bracket close, enter the greater than sign and 1, and that's it. Now in formatting style, you can select the different color to highlight the duplicates. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the color. So I select here the yellow color and see here in your data, duplicates is highlighted. Okay, then click on the done and that's it. So this is a way you can highlight duplicates in Google Sheet. Thank you.